Feeling great? Thank your kidneys. These silent superstars filter waste products from your blood, keeping you energized. But just like superheroes, kidneys need a little help to function perfectly. Water's the hydration champion, but what about other delicious drinks? Let's unlock the world of kidney-friendly beverages and discover the top 6 natural drinks to keep your kidneys happy and healthy. 1. Black coffee. Coffee lovers rejoice. Studies have shown that black coffee can be a valuable ally for your kidneys. According to research, regularly drinking black coffee may reduce the risk of kidney stones and acute kidney injury. The secret lies in coffee's antioxidants and caffeine content, which boast anti-inflammatory and diuretic effects. However, moderation is key. Skip the sugary lattes and creamy concoctions and enjoy your black coffee plain. Remember, listen to your body. Some people metabolize caffeine slowly, so consult your doctor before revving up your coffee intake. 2. Green tea. Green tea, revered for its health benefits, is a champion for your kidneys. Packed with polyphenols, a type of antioxidant, green tea combats oxidative stress, a condition that can damage your kidneys due to constant filtration. These antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals, significantly reducing the burden on your kidneys. Green tea's magic doesn't stop there. Studies suggest it can regulate blood pressure, a major risk factor for kidney disease, thanks to its rich concentration of antioxidants. Additionally, green tea's anti-inflammatory properties can shield your kidneys from chronic inflammation, another culprit in kidney damage. To reap the most benefits, ditch the tea bags and opt for loose-leaf green tea. Steep the leaves in hot, not boiling, water for a minute or 2 to unlock the full range of health-promoting compounds. 3. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice isn't just for festive occasions. It's a remarkable beverage with a multitude of benefits for your kidneys. Cranberries boast a wealth of antioxidants, particularly proanthocyanidins, which wield anti-inflammatory properties. This makes cranberry juice a valuable weapon against chronic inflammation, a contributor to kidney dysfunction. Research has shown that cranberry juice consumption can reduce inflammation markers in people with chronic kidney disease. Cranberries are also superstars at preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs. The proanthocyanidins act as a shield, preventing bacteria from latching onto the urinary tract lining, thereby lowering the risk of UTIs. Healthy urine is happy urine, and happy urine translates to happy kidneys. Cranberry juice also offers robust antioxidant protection, safeguarding kidney cells from oxidative stress. 4. Lemon juice. Pucker up for some good news. Lemon juice is a standout beverage for your kidneys, thanks to its high citric content. Citric plays a starring role in preventing the formation of kidney stones, particularly calcium oxalate stones. Citric binds to calcium ions in urine, reducing the availability of calcium for stone formation. Don't be fooled by its tangy taste. Lemon juice has an alkalizing effect once metabolized in the body. This is important for maintaining a healthy urinary fade level, which can further decrease the risk of specific kidney stones. Plus, lemon juice boasts significant antioxidant properties due to its high vitamin C content. Antioxidants are crucial for fighting oxidative stress, which can harm kidney cells over time. In addition to its antioxidant punch, lemon juice acts as a gentle diuretic, promoting increased urine production when consumed in moderation. This gentle flush helps eliminate waste products and reduces fluid retention, keeping your kidneys functioning smoothly. 5. Beet juice. Beet juice isn't just a trendy health drink. It's a powerhouse for your kidneys. Beets are a rich source of nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide, NO, in the body. NO acts as a vasodilator, relaxing blood vessels and potentially leading to reduced blood pressure. Studies have shown a significant decrease in blood pressure following dietary nitrate supplementation, similar to what beet juice offers. Beets are also brimming with antioxidants like betalains and vitamin C, which combat oxidative stress and inflammation both closely linked to kidney health. Beet juice even offers a helping hand in kidney stone prevention. Research suggests beetroot extract reduces the formation of calcium oxalate crystals, a common component of kidney stones. However, moderation is key, especially if you have pre-existing kidney conditions. Excessive nitrate intake can potentially strain your kidneys. 6. Water. While it may seem obvious, water reigns supreme for kidney health. This life-sustaining beverage acts as a magic solvent, dissolving waste products for easier flushing by your kidneys. Proper hydration ensures smooth filtration, preventing toxin buildup that could damage your kidneys. Water also dilutes stone-forming substances and helps maintain healthy blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels. Additionally, adequate water intake promotes a healthy electrolyte balance for optimal nerve, muscle, and kidney function. Furthermore, it acts as a natural defense against UTIs by flushing out bacteria. Remember, listen to your thirst cues and urine color. Pale yellow is ideal to determine your individual hydration needs. The 8x8 rule, 8 8-ounce glasses a day, can be a starting point, but factors like age, weight, activity level, and climate all play a role. Keeping your kidneys happy is key to feeling your best. Treat them to these delicious drinks: black coffee, moderately, green tea, cranberry juice, lemon juice, and beet juice in moderation, alongside plenty of water. Don't forget a balanced diet, regular exercise, and enough sleep for an all-star team supporting your superstar kidneys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for joining us.